In the field of mobile application development today, developing an excellent application is only the first step, and successfully submitting it to the App Store is the ultimate goal. But before submitting, developers need to go through cumbersome signing, installation, testing, and other steps, which is not only time-consuming and laborious, but also requires a Mac computer. If you also have the same problem, then the SignWeb website will be a weapon you can't miss. SignWeb is an easy-to-use online signing tool, which can help us mobile application development engineers simplify the tedious signing, installation, and testing process, and greatly improve the efficiency of submitting to the App Store. The method of using the website is very simple. You only need to upload the P12 certificate, the corresponding description file, and the IPA file, and the program will automatically sign and distribute the app, allowing you to install and test the app by scanning the code. No need for a Mac computer. Mobile phone browsing the server can sign online, distribute, and install the test application for iOS mobile application development engineers. The advantage of the SignWeb website is not only its efficiency, but also it's free and no registration required. Developers only need to follow the guidelines to upload the required files to quickly complete the signing and distribution operations. The whole process only takes a few minutes to complete, allowing you to release apps faster and improve development efficiency. In short, SignWeb is a very practical online signing tool, which provides an efficient and simple solution for iOS mobile application development engineers, allowing you to submit to the App Store faster and without buying a Mac computer. Only need to use a mobile phone. The browser can complete the signing and distribution operations. Come and try this artifact now.